I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So I've already applied the easy tips to my right flexi hand, which is available on my website, and I'll link it down below for you guys. And I've applied those with the instant nail glue, and again, that is from my website. Most products, all products that I'm using as always are from my website. So I coming in, what is up with me today? I cannot speak. So I'm coming in with Nude Attitude first off, and I'm applying that at the cuticle area and blending it down about halfway down the nail. And then I'm going to come in with a rose gold loose glitter, and I'm applying that to the tip and blending up towards the cuticle area, kind of like a feathered glitter gradient. And honestly, this rose gold loose glitter is one of our original gorgeous glittered beauties, and she is still as stunning as ever and one of our best sellers, so you guys know you need her. Look how gorgeous she looks paired with a stunning nude, and delicious. So next I'm moving on to the ring finger, and I'm coming in with Dusky pink coloured acrylic from the Nailmate coloured acrylic line, and I'm just applying that to the tip area and feathering it up, just because I'm going to be applying nude over the top of this as like a ombre, a very subtle ombre, but still super cute and elegant. So once I'm happy with the placement of my coloured powder, I'm coming in with Nude Attitude, which is my cover nude, and I'm going to be applying that. First I'm applying a small to medium bead right where the blend ends, and I'm just making sure that I apply enough coverage there. Then when I come in with my cuticle bead, that's just going to make sure that that ombre is really kind of blended and seamless, and the blend line is concealed completely. Moving on to the next nail, I'm going to be applying the rose gold loose glitter, and this is available from glitterplanetuk.com. I'm just applying it at the cuticle area and making sure that it's nice, neat and tidy, and then I'm just blending and feathering it halfway down the nail as a glitter ombre to clear, and I think this look is gorgeous. I think a glitter ombre with a clear nail tip is so freaking stunning. On this next nail, I'm going to be coming in with all of the colours that I'm using in the set combined and creating a nice dreamy marbled nail. So I'm using Dusky Pink, Nude Attitude and Blizzard White. I'm swirling those around on the nail to create a nice, gorgeous, elegant marble. And then once I've done that, I'm going to come in with some of the rose gold glitter and kind of dot that randomly on the nail. So next I'm coming in with the number 5 3D brush. We have these available in the silver and also in the rainbow finish, depending on your style of course. And I'm using Blizzard White acrylic powder, and I'm just going to be sculpting a nice 3D flower. And I'm making sure to keep the petals very flat because this is going to be encapsulated in the Nailmate Crystal Clear acrylic. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell, and then you won't miss an upload. for the thumbnail, I'm going to come in with that rose gold glitter, and this is going to be a full nail of the rose gold glitter, and honestly, it's so gorgeous. I cannot say it enough how beautiful this loose glitter is. It's just freaking delightful. Now that I've finished applying all of my acrylic and everything is set, I'm coming in with Nail Make Crystal Clear, and I'm encapsulating the entire design, and I'm making sure to encapsulate it really well so that when I come to file, I can create a nice structure and shape to the nail without interfering with any of the design that I've just applied. If you are enjoying this video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it as well. The more you share it, the more people will see it, and I don't know, it's just freaking awesome, and it just makes me really, I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, guys. I just like it when more people see my work because, you know, it's freaking exciting. It's what motivates you when you think, oh my god, like so many thousand people have seen this video. It's like, yes, let's do another one. So the more you help share, the more people see, the more motivation I get. I can quit my day job and I can just create content for you guys, you know. Okay guys, so next I'm coming in with Super Gloss, which is back in stock, so I'll link that down below for you guys. I'm going to be applying this to the entire set and then curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'll wait a little while, just let that gel cool down so that we don't dull the shine when we apply our cuticle oil. I absolutely love how elegant that nail turned out and how gorgeous this full set ties in and just looks absolutely stunning. And look at this rose gold glitter with that clear tip. It honestly is so gorgeous. And Nail Make Crystal Clear Acrylic, I mean, I don't even need to explain how clear it is. You can clearly see that it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, so once I've finished top coating, I'm curing in the lamp, applying some oil, and then this is the final result. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I loved creating this cute freaking rose gold nude set. I think it's so classy and stunning, and a lot of people could wear it even on a shorter length, of course. I know this length is not for everybody, but props to the easy tips. Love you! Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye. As always, remember that you are bomb.com. Let us fuck and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.